I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the stabilizer's rated output equals or exceeds the submersible pump's running and startup wattage. This prevents undervoltage trips. Once done, switch off the main breaker and isolate the pump circuit so you can work safely. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection while handling terminals. Next, identify the pump cable conductors, live, neutral, and earth, and the stabilizer input terminals. Position the stabilizer close enough to avoid tension on cable runs, but clear of water. You now wire the pump to the stabilizer. First, attach the pump's live conductor to the stabilizer output live terminal, ensuring a tight crimp or screw clamp to prevent heating. Then connect neutral and earth, either through the stabilizer if it supports them or directly at the distribution terminal, making sure polarity is consistent. Incorrect polarity causes motor failure. Once connected, dress cables with grommets and strain reliefs to prevent chafing, and route wiring to avoid kinks and water ingress, while keeping terminals labeled for maintenance. You finish by restoring mains power and letting the stabilizer complete its brief warm-up cycle while you watch the output indicator for steady voltage. This confirms regulation is active. Next, start the pump for 1 to 2 minutes and observe current draw and voltage stability. Listen for unusual noises and check for vibration. If the stabilizer trips or the pump stalls, cut power immediately, verify wiring and earth continuity, and confirm the stabilizer rating covers the pump startup surge. Replace any suspect component before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.